Before starting the video, I have little request to my viewers that hit the bell icon and thumbs up like button if you like this video. Open the link from the description of the video and scroll down and read my full article, because I almost gives all detail there in form of what is A2 affiliate, A2 affiliate tiers categories, how to make it work, what is its plans, how to create account, how payment works, reports and commission payouts, adding banners and links, and conclusion. I am sure, when you read this full article you can make your own account and start making money online at home. I will not show you how to make account here as I already mention everything in this blog, but I will show you my commission stats of A2 hosting affiliate so that you can understand how you can earn it too. This is my dashboard of A2 hosting affiliate account. As you can see here my full dashboard. I created this account last week and today I got my first client and get $85 which is on pending list, but I will get it soon. You can earn it too, just open my link and make your account so that I can earn little amount for providing you this tutorial. Thank you in advance.